As you see, this is the future of AMBRUOSI and VISCARDI. I have created a family and worked for the family. My wife and I met in kindergarten when we were 6 years old. We got together and set up a business to trade in fruit and vegetables. We were good because we were innovative. Where did we decide to go? To Marche, the centre of Italy, where the climate is right for lettuce. We can reach the south and the north within a day. The first company was in Sant'Elpidio al Mare. Why? Because in Sant'Elpidio al Mare, the ground is level, there's water, and it's close to the motorway. The company expanded. Why? Because it worked well, because the supermarkets in Switzerland were already buying our goods. In 2004, my children bought my company. I focused on helping them. In 2005, I began to develop a €10 million project. Within 3 years, while my children were working, I prepared a new project. I worked until I had a final draft for my idea. Work, innovation, networking, and bringing the family together. All phases of the production process are performed within the organization. This activity starts production using certified seeds, not genetically modified, propagated for about 20 days in our own nursery. After the nursery stage, the land is prepared and made ready to take the plants, which are put in with machines. We have an irrigation system which works to lower rate at which the water flows, thus using less water and consuming less energy. The plants are grown directly on our land using certified production criteria, producing the lowest environmental impact. These criteria are applied by the constant presence of responsible technicians to ensure proper use of all resources. The individual salad plots are protected and labelled. Just before the harvest, the plants are subjected to multi-residual analysis to check for the presence of chemical residue. When the products reach maturity, they are harvested and sent to the warehouse and again subjected to a certification process. The moment the plant has matured, it is picked and taken to the warehouse. Here, with the first selection, the product is still whole, and by the fourth selection, it's prepared, cut and packed. In the processing of the first selection products, the product is washed, sorted and cleaned by specialist personnel. It is then packed and delivered promptly to large retailers. The production line of fourth selection products has been created to meet the needs of a clientele even more demanding. We offer to the consumer high value added products ready to eat and of the highest quality. Working at low temperatures, we can optimize the process to ensure best quality and freshness of products. There are over 4 visual checks along the way, preventing the presence of foreign bodies in salads. Three pools of cold water and bubbling jets of high pressure water wash off accurately any type of residue. The water used in the processing is purified to make it drinkable. Agitating belts and a centrifuge dry the salad, ready to cut, to make them more suitable for the storage bag and capturing the fragrance. The company, over the years, has earned many certificates to ensure that the consumer receives the highest quality and safety of its products. With the aid of computer technology, every stage of production is consistently maintained, and there is an effective traceability system, making it possible each day to go back and check the original lots of raw material. Next are the logistics. There are trucks that deliver to supermarkets. All these trucks are run on methane gas, saving 50% of costs. We have a gas distributor in the company. We use both electric and gas forklifts. Then there is the hot water mechanism. With this system we heat a greenhouse of 5,000 square meters during the winter. An efficient distribution network using only refrigerated vehicles makes it possible to deliver to our customers the product in a bag in less than 24 hours from the time of harvesting in the field. For electricity, we use photovoltaic cells, 1.2 megawatts. As you can see, over the sheds and the greenhouse, there are photovoltaic panels. We also use biogas. The salad waste is mixed with chopped corn, and with this we can produce gas which helps to keep the motors running. All production facilities and the machines at Sant'Elpidio a Mare are powered entirely by clean energy produced by a biogas plant and 6,600 rooftop photovoltaic panels. From the biogas installation that produces 250 kilowatt of electricity, we obtain a composted residue which we use on fields as organic fertilizer. At this point, the circle of production and distribution is closed after years of investment. The company AMBRUOSI and VISCARDI is a family where everyone is involved in the activity with commitment and a dedication to provide a genuine and high-quality product. With the choice of the closed chain process, it has renewed the organisation, expanding its programming capacity and rationalising the use of mechanical equipment, transport and human resources. Through the experience of over 20 years, the company has distinguished itself from among distribution companies of fruit and vegetables. Financial resources have been invested exclusively for constant research to guarantee quality 365 days of the year. All of this without forgetting our farming cultural roots and knowledge allow us to transfer into our production process all the love of the land and the energy of the best traditional small farmers.